In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate EMI and present value in Microsoft Excel. We'll build a simple, reliable worksheet you can reuse for loans or mortgages. Start by opening Excel and creating a clean area on your sheet for inputs and results. Give the section a clear title like Mortgage Calculator so it's easy to spot later. Right under that, add labels for your inputs: loan amount, annual interest rate, loan term in years, and payments per year. Type your values next to each label. As a quick tip, format loan amount as currency, annual interest rate as a percentage, and keep payments per year as a whole number, like 12 for monthly payments. Next, add a spot for monthly payment. This is your EMI. In that cell, use Excel's PMT function. The idea is simple. Your rate per period is the annual interest rate divided by payments per year. Your total number of payments is loan term multiplied by payments per year, and the present value is the loan amount. A typical setup looks like PMT annual rate payments per year, loan term payments per year, loan amount. The minus sign makes the payment display as a positive number because payments are cash outflows. After you enter the formula, format it as currency so it's easy to read. Now calculate the total loan cost. Multiply the monthly payment by the total number of payments. That's your payment per period times loan term times payments per year. If your payment shows as a negative number, you can simply multiply by 1 to display a positive total. This number helps you see how much you'll pay over the entire life of the loan. Let's move on to present value, or PV. This tells you how much a series of equal payments is worth today at a given interest rate. In a new cell, enter the PV function exactly like this: XPV, rate, NPR, PMT. Use the same rate per period as before, the same total number of periods, and the same payment amount. Remember the sign convention. Enter the payment as a negative if it represents money going out, so the result comes back as a positive present value. To recap the arguments you're using, rate is the interest rate per period, not per year. NPR is the total number of payment periods, and PMT is the payment made each period entered as a negative for outflows. If your payments happen monthly, keep rate and NPR monthly too. Consistency is key. With that, you've built a practical EMI calculator and learned how to compute present value, all in Excel. Adjust the inputs anytime to compare scenarios and make smarter decisions.